What do you got, sweetie? Let me see.
You got a worm.
Let me see, Oasis.
It's a nice crawler.
Woo! Yeah, what?
You gonna name it?
That's the same problem I have with bowling.
No?
Crawley.
Ball too hard.
Crawley.
Crawley.
Usually no, but that's a weed bowling.
Why are you playing with it? Is it your friend?
He crawls in her hand.
It's my friend?
Is it?
Yeah.
You gonna give your friend a kiss?
Yeah.
Ew, no!
I am keeping this! And you will be embarrassed one day.
It's coming down.
What did you do?
Alright, bye, Oasis.
Bye.
What's that?